Hello, today I'd like to do a quick unboxing of this product by Qoosea. It's the outdoor solar lights. So this box has 12 lily flowers, large lily flowers. They're very colorful, and 4 butterflies that come with it. So when you open the package, you see beautiful lily flowers, and as you can see, this is the solar panel. So you have to install it in your garden, and um, unfortunately today it's not sunny, so I won't be able to test uh, them right away, but I just want to show you the beautiful flowers, and the butterflies are also here. So basically there's 4 items, but it says 12 lily flowers, so if you count each flower, it's going to be 12. And then you have those sticks onto which you put those, and you should be good to go. It comes with a nice pamphlet that explains how you can do this, and especially now as spring is approaching in Canada, well, in rural North America, I think this is a good investment because the colors really beautiful. So hopefully they will look beautiful when installed. And thank you for watching my unboxing.